Hey friends, welcome to Heartland Family Adventures. Today we're sharing with you our park day at Disney's Animal Kingdom. We'll explore the beautiful world of Pandora and share ride-throughs of Flight of Passage and Navi River Journey, as well as some sweet treats and snacks. Then we'll take you on an African safari tour with Kilamanjaro Safaris, as well as ride-throughs on Expedition Everest and Dinosaur. We also captured the animal encounters, bird show, and Disney character boats and more. Come and join us for the adventure. If you're enjoying our Disney World vlogs, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.
It's a rainy day! You get under the umbrella. Feels like we're in the rainforest jungle, pouring in rain. The rain's supposed to clear out later this morning, but it's pouring right now. People are hiding out in the caves. Thankfully, we brought the umbrella. There she is. There's the tree. I don't think I've ever been to Animal Kingdom in the rain. This is a new experience.
Children are supposed to be explorers. Pumbaa.
Welcome to Macau, right? No worries, even in the rain. We're still having fun here. How pretty she is. In the rain.
absolutely love Pandora at Animal Kingdom. And if you've seen the movie Avatar, it really feels like you're in the movie. After riding Navi River, the rain had stopped, so we went to get in line for Flight of Passage, and that's our favorite ride at this park. You can usually count on a long wait for this one since it's a very popular ride, but we only waited about 30 minutes. This is a 3D flight simulator ride and makes you feel like you're riding on a banshee, which is one of the large flying creatures from the movie Avatar. Feel so immersed in the scenes, you can feel the wind blowing in your hair, the splashes of water in your face, and you can even smell the scenes that you're flying over, like the ocean and the forest and the flowers. It makes it a truly amazing experience.
The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment.
You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Navi. Connecting to an ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Navi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now.
Once the link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an ikran. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Navi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora.
All right, you ready? Let's get you into the link chamber.
After Flight of Passage, we stopped to get some drinks and snacks at Pongu Pongu in Pandora, one of our favorite grab-and-go locations.
And this is the Night Blossom. You can find it in Pandora and Animal Kingdom. We've had this before. This is definitely one of our favorite kind of treats or drinks anywhere in Disney World. It's frozen apple, desert pear limeade, and passion fruit boba balls.
Yeah, we love boba.
Yeah, which gives you, just kind of sucks up that straw and gives you a little pop in your mouth, which is kind of a fun thing. But
You have to have the large straws to get the boba through.
I know, it's delicious. It's really one of our favorites.
And it's tucked back here. Next to Satuli Canteen, there's the Pongu Pongu, little quick
Pongu.
service place where you can get these neat drinks and then a few other snacks. We actually got the Pongo Lumpia as well, which is a cream cheese pineapple in a kind of a spring roll. So it's really, really, really tasty too. You want to try that one?
Yeah, it's a good place to stop if you just want a little snack.
Yeah, a little snack to hold you over. It's morning here, so it's a nice little kind of morning break.
Yeah,
Let's take a
this is our
break.
breakfast.
Yeah, late breakfast snack. Take a look on the inside. Oh, that looks delicious. The cream cheese and pineapple with the crunchy outside.
These are great.
Nice and warm. You can also get coffee at Pongu Pongu, and you can get a sausage egg breakfast sandwich. We got that too. Mine's almost gone. You can kind of see. It's just basic breakfast sandwich, but it's nice and hearty. Holds you over in the morning, so really good stuff.
It's a good, easy place, and you want to go to Pandora right away in the morning anyway, so
yeah,
it's convenient.
Nice and convenient to stop here for a quick breakfast if you haven't eaten before you get here. I'm gonna try some of the night blossom too. I love this. Definitely very frozen drink. So don't drink it too fast, you'll give you brain freeze. And all of the boba pearls are kind of at the top, so you can kind of like push them down to get them kind of as you drink. And it's like, it's a little surprise, you get a little boba through the straw. It's really, really good. It's very sweet, but I like the combination of flavors. It's not like all one note. It's nice and kind of sweet and tart, and then you get the little burst of the passion fruit boba too. That's really good.
Try the...
Yeah, try this. It's really good. Yeah, this is the Pongo Lumpia. Again, it's like a spring roll wrap with cream cheese and pineapple on the inside. It's delicious. It's very sweet, and you got the pineapple flavors coming through. And I love the crisp outer crust of the spring roll. That just kind of really makes the dessert. It's really delicious. And this could be a good morning snack or afternoon snack or any time of day.
Or just to make this your lunch.
Yeah, right. Probably so. Yeah, really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's kind of Pongu Pongu is kind of definitely hidden back after you pass Flight of Passage, right? Past the Tule Canteen. So Tule Canteen is the other place you can get food here. They have great food options as well. Rice bowls, protein bowls, and things like that. They have some great desserts as well. This is a nice little quick service, like quick grab a snack location as well. So definitely recommend coming over into Pandora to get some food when you're here in Animal Kingdom.
Up next, we were off to the far side of the park to get in line for Kilamanjaro Safaris. This is an amazing 20-minute ride that takes you on a guided tour of the park's African savanna, where you can see so many different animals roaming around. Animal Kingdom is home to more than 34 different species of animals living on 110 acres that they have near the park. And they're all divided up into different territories to mirror the plains or the forest or the wetlands from the different animals' natural habitats. It's just so amazing. I definitely recommend riding this ride when you come to the park.
Also known as the ghost of the forest. Very rarely do you see them out in the open. Heartland mountain zebras are pretty rare. And we had 2 babies born this year. So we were pretty excited over it. Anytime you can increase the numbers of a rare animal, it's a pretty big deal. The mountain zebras that you see dotted throughout the savannah are termite crestalates. But anyway, if you look at him, he is walking around with salad on his head. He's Patterson eland, one of the largest antelope in Africa. And believe it or not, he can jump 6 to 8 feet straight up without a running start. The giraffes are Maasai giraffes. They have a jagged, irregular, look over here. See the horns? Those are in holy cattle. They are a sign of wealth in Africa. They're never used for meat. They're a status symbol. The more cattle you own, the wealthier you are. They are hunted, yeah. Watering hole, great gathering place for sometimes the black rhino. Sadly, there are less than 5,000 left in the wild. Now, there are some nests, so I think we might have some babies soon. We'll have to wait and see. They also open and close their mouths to eat. And they look, well, just a bit hungry to me. We're going to move right on up this out the super highway. for millions of migrating animals every year. It really is all part of the wild Africa we're all trying to conserve. This is what I like about them. They're laying in a circle on purpose. And they do that so that they can see danger coming up. When they wear them down, antelope stand on them and look towards the tall grass or predators that might be hiding. Pretty cool to be that close to an elephant. Flamingos. Coloring comes from the carotene in the brine shrimp that they eat. Now you're going to see some flamingos with brown feathers. Those are baby flamingos that were born this year. Looks like he's got 2 lady friends and himself. Oh yeah, look this way so everybody can see it. She's not interested. Get away, I'm gonna eat.
And so now we're hanging out at the relaxation station over where they used to do the Rivers of Light nighttime show. They have all this outdoor amphitheater seating out over here, and you'll see holiday cavalcades coming by. So if you look behind us, actually you'll see a cavalcade coming through. So. You enjoyed that. So this is a great spot to come and sit, and you can see the cavalcades coming around through the day, and you can also there's other kind of like rivers and pathways, a couple different spots in the park where you can kind of watch and see the cavalcades coming through, which is really fun.
They're coming through like
really often. Yeah, really often. That this is a really good spot to sit. You can take your mask off and just kind of relax, enjoy some time, and also see the cavalcades come around, and they all come through here. So that's pretty cool. So you'll see some of your main characters, and then I think we saw like DuckTales. I don't know what. No, Tailspin. We saw some Tailspin's characters earlier. And you'll see Mickey and Minnie and your classic characters and Rafiki and Santa Claus.
So Chip and Dale.
Yeah. We saw Chip and Dale dressed up as dinosaurs. That was cute.
Pretty sure there's Timon and Pumbaa, but we haven't seen them yet.
We haven't seen them yet. Anyway, nice place to hang out and relax, enjoy the fresh air.
And I hear Santa Claus.
Yeah, and we've got another cavalcade coming behind us. Enjoy seeing Santa.
Holy peppermint sticks. If you're on the nice list, raise your hand. Ho, 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 ho. I need to make more toys. Merry Christmas and congratulations to you. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
After a great lunch at Yak and Yeti, our next ride of the day was Expedition Everest, the legend of the Forbidden Mountain. The queue for this ride is set up as though you're wandering through a village at the base of Mount Everest, and then you catch a ride on a train to the top. You have to be 44 inches tall for this ride, and some parts could be pretty scary for kids, including some fast speeds and drops, some sections that are in the dark, and then you ride backwards. And you also come into contact with the infamous Yeti, so keep an eye out for him. I hope you enjoy.
Still here? Yeah, you didn't get you?
Our next stop of the day was Dinoland to ride Dinosaur. Other rides in Dinoland include Triceratops Spin and Primeval Whirl. For those of you who may be familiar with Disneyland's Indiana Jones ride, Dinosaur has the same type of ride vehicle and track system, but instead of following along with Indy's adventures, you're going back in time to locate and rescue a dinosaur before a meteor shower is about to hit. Watch out for the Carnotaurus that follows you around the ride as well. This one may be pretty scary for most small children and has a height limit of 40 inches. A lot of this ride is also in the dark with a lot of scary sounds and sharp turns along the bumpy Jeep ride.
T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just a little bit.
Arthrophagus. Hadron. Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would.
In the afternoon, we went back to the main hub to take a stroll around the Discovery Island trails. And these include a bunch of hidden pathways that are around the Tree of Life area, which have tunnels and trees and animals that you can go and check out. This was just really nice to walk and enjoy the breeze, and we even saw some cavalcades on the water. Walking down the Discovery Island Trail. It's nice and shady and breezy back in here, secluded. It's so nice back in here. You can see the cavalcades coming by as they come through. See, it's pretty windy here today. We're in the 70s. It's gorgeous. The cavalcade. One of our favorite places at Animal Kingdom to stop for a refreshing and cool snack is Tamutamu, where you can get some delicious Dole Whip treats. This is the King Cooler? Yeah. So it's pineapple Dole Whip with watermelon and a dark rum floater. Looks really good. Let's try it. It's melting fast. Oh wow, that's really good. I like the combination with the watermelon.
Yeah, that's one we never had, watermelon.
Yeah, we've never had this one with the watermelon and the dark rum floater. This is really good. You can get this at Tamutamu Refreshments. That's delicious. It's the same, like, just refreshing Dole Whip, but with the watermelon gives it a little bit other hint of flavor, and then the dark rum floater is a good combination. It's really good. Take a bite, see what you think.
Where's the rum?
Why is the rum gone? Isn't that good?
Yeah, I like it with the watermelon.
Yeah.
I get a lot of rum, but
Yeah, some bites I got a little bit more rum than others.
yeah, it's just a floater, but I
Yeah.
really like the watermelon combo.
Yeah.
Good.
You gotta eat it fast though, because it's the float, but it's really good.
I think that's my favorite combo, like mixing another fruit flavor with it.
Yeah, we've tried like the lime and the raspberry, pineapple, and other combos.
Yeah, we've done almost all of them.
Yeah, we've done a lot of different ones. But you like this one, huh? Awesome. It's melting. Hurry up and eat it. It's like dangerously good.
Yeah, that's what we would get with the kids, because we always want to get it with the rum.
Right,
But
right.
They want to eat it, so.
I know. It's nice for a couple strip. You can get the ones with the floater. And you can get Parrot Bay coconut rum, or you can get the plantation dark rum.
Yep.
Awesome. Happiness.
One of the shows that we got to enjoy on this trip was Animal Encounters: The Kingdoms Takes Flight. This show takes place in a large outdoor amphitheater near the Tree of Life, and you get to learn about different kinds of birds from animal experts and see them fly around. One of our favorite moments was when they had the audience members connect their arms together to make a circle, and then one of the birds flew through their arms. It was so cool and a really fun show to watch.
That's Molly. This one's Molly. And this, yeah, do you want to tell everybody your name? Gabriella. It's Gabriella. And then you can say your name. Molly, that's right. Very nice. So, Molly and Gabby, like I said, with people their whole lives, and they picked up on some really fun things to show off. You want to show off? What do you guys want to do? Yeah, that was your names. That's your name. What else do you guys want to do? What do you call me, Titty? Really good cat. I don't know why parents want to call a cat. I don't think they really understand the implications of that one. But, they know a couple songs too. You guys want to sing? You want to sing?
Right there. As the largest member of the vulture family, also means what they eat is super important. So shout it out. What do vultures eat? That stuff. Carrion. So you know, an animal like condor or vulture comes along, they eat those animals that have died off the wild and clean up that mess, which helps stop the spread of disease.
Yeah, and in a way, we can call condors and vultures nature's recyclers. And guys, if we all recycled like this awesome and very goofy bird, this earth would be a much cleaner place, right? Yeah.
Thank you. Everybody, I would like for you to meet Hope. Now, Hope is a living symbol of one of the greatest conservation success stories of our time. You know, it wasn't that long ago that bald eagles numbers dropped drastically. In fact, a lot of people who were in future generations weren't going to be able to see or hear them out in the wild anymore. But that has been something amazing that happened. Numbers of bald eagles started to rise, so much so actually they were taken off the endangered species list. Is a knob-hornbill. Over there with Katie is a harpy eagle, one of the largest predatory birds on the planet.
Yes, learn something to see at all the bluebirds and macaws. So go outside, have your own adventures, appreciate nature.
Very well said. Well, on behalf of all of us up here, we want to leave you with one final wish.
May your heart take flight and your spirit soar forever.
And that wraps up our day at Animal Kingdom. We hope you enjoyed joining us on our family's adventures. If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking this video or leaving us a comment below. We'll see you next time.